Hi friends, this is Mohammad Gibran and welcome to our Java tutorials. In this video, I'll be explaining you about the looping statements. So what are the looping statements? Suppose if you want to print one statement 5 times. So till now what we have been doing is we have to write separate lines to print that single line. Let me show you how to do that. First we'll go and select a new class. Let me tell you that I am working in Eclipse. The name of my class will be test. Should have the main function in it, main method in it. Hit finish, and when you have your class ready, just tighten everything a little bit. Suppose if I want to type this statement, I'll say I love programming. Okay, so if I run this, hit OK, I'll get an output which says I love programming just once, and if I want to print this 2 times, so I will go and write it 2 times and I'll run it again, hit OK, and now it printed 2 times. And suppose if I want to print this statement for 1 million times, so do I have to write it 1 million times? No, I'll not do something like this. Instead I will be using a loop which is known as a for loop, which looks something like this. In that I have to give a variable. Let me say I am declaring a variable, then I will initialize its value to a number. Let me say 0 for this time, and then I am incrementing it, so I have to tell it the number of times I have to repeat this statement. So I will say him that I want this statement, this statement to be repeated less than 5 times. Why less than 5 times? Because I'm starting from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it makes it 5 times. So this statement will be printed 5 times, and then I will increment my I every time it gets printed. So let me run it and show you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Why? Because as our programs started, our I was having the value of 0, and then it checked, does my value of I, which is 0, is less than 5. So here my program find out that my condition was true, so it incremented it and my statement got printed. Then the next time my I value became 1, and then the condition was again satisfied, and then my I value again incremented and I printed this value. Again my 1 it got incremented by 1, again by 1 I got incremented by 1, like then 3, 4, and when the last statement came, it checked it with this condition, and it condition resulted to be false. So then my looping stopped over here. So this is how a for loop works. I hope you understood about it, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching it.